I'm here with Marc Regan, Director of Global Artistry for Bobbi Brown, and he's just aced my base, but now he's going to show us how to get highlight and glow without looking too disco.
When you talk about glow, I mean, there's so many options out there, right? People have extreme versions and they have really subtle versions. And the great thing at Bobbi Brown is we have an option for everybody. So for drier skins who are looking for a glow, Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm is a really great option because you're getting the benefits of a really emollient textured moisturizer, but there is infused light reflecting pearls into it. And the special technological part is the colors mimic your natural radiance in your skin. So you have green, red, and gold pearls, which are what reflect light and bounce off skin naturally. If we wanted to just dab a little bit on the high points of the cheeks, you could do this before your foundation. So before foundation, it could be a last step for extra highlighting that's more seamless to come through the skin. So on the high points of the cheek, maybe down this bridge of the nose, a little on the Cupid's bow, a little highlight through the center, and then even along on top of the brow. Right. You can get that really, people will see the radiance, but they won't know where it's coming from. So Soph's cheeks will just kind of come forward a little bit more. The reason I'm being super gentle with it is I don't want to take off any of the makeup that we put on, but I just wanted to show you how that's an option. But you can see, even on my hand, look at that beautiful sheen that you get.
Stunning.
That still has that moisturized element to it. The second option is our classic shimmer brick.
So pretty.
So it's our iconic product that Bobbi Brown is very well known for. And if you see us just layer right on the high points of the cheek, and that's where we can get that rosy effect.
I love that.
Right?
It's like a youthful glow. It's
exactly.
A very healthy glow.
Very healthy glow.
Very healthy.
Yes. We have these guys. So these are the Bobbi Brown highlighting powders, which are a runaway hit. So you can see I'm only taking a side of the brush because I don't want to place it too broadly on the skin. I actually want to focus the highlight just on the high point of the cheek first, and then bring it up into the temples. So what you're looking for is where you put the glow, that's where your feature is going to come forward because it's bouncing the light off.
Okay.
So we're going to come through the temple and then on the high point of the cheek. That's why when you go out and you get that perfect spotlight, it's bouncing right off of that. A little bit of glow just on the bridge of the nose. Maybe just with your finger, you can take a little bit just on the Cupid's bow. And again, that creates dimension. So if you're looking for a fuller shaped lip,
always,
that's what pulls it forward.
Yeah, that looks amazing. Yes, I love it. You're right, it's a seamless, smooth glow. It doesn't look glittery or hard. It's just, yeah, it all blends together.
All blends together, yeah.
I love that.
And then you can always, when you're sweeping it on your skin, you can always go around the eye just to give that little bit of a halo effect. But you can have the confidence that's not going to be overdone.
There you go, highlight and glow, but definitely not disco.
No, but ready for the disco.
Ready for the disco, yeah.